Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to add Facebook Pixel to your Shopify store. First, log into your Facebook Business Manager account. If you do not have one, create it by going to business.facebook.com and following the steps. Once you are inside Business Manager, click on Events Manager from the left-hand menu. This is where you will create your Facebook Pixel. Click on the Connect Data Sources button and choose Web. Then click on Facebook Pixel and select Connect. Give your pixel a name and click Continue. Next, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Settings, then choose Apps and Sales Channels. Scroll down and select Facebook. If you do not have it installed, click Add Sales Channel and choose Facebook. After installation, click Facebook and select the Settings tab. You will see an option called Data Sharing. Make sure data sharing is turned on. Under Customer Data Sharing, choose Maximum for the best tracking results. Now, you will see a Connect button along with your Pixel ID. Click on it to connect. Click Confirm to apply the changes. That is all you need to do to add Facebook Pixel to Shopify.